Hey, it's Dan here, just out on Tranquille River. Gonna test out my do-it-yourself nugget bucket. I've seen them on the internet for $120 US, so I figured I'd just try and see if I could make one up myself, save a few bucks. Looks like this area's been worked pretty good, but we'll try it anyway. So for my nugget bucket, I have a classifier. Inside, I took the lid off a 2.5 gallon bucket. Cut the center out of the bucket, put a funnel in it. So that's the lid from the 2.5 gallon with the funnel in it. Inside I have my bowl. I have a hole cut out, which I'm probably going to have to make bigger so the bowl can fit in there better. And then I drilled these holes to allow the water to exit. This is just a first prototype, so I'm sure there'll be some additions to it, like maybe an extra classifier or something, but in the meantime, I'm going to give it a shot and see how I make out. I'll see you in a bit. Well, there's the results of about half of a load from the bucket, nugget bucket. It's not bad. It's a little less than I expected, but there's still some traces in the bottom of the bucket I got to try. Plus the area might not be so good, so we'll try again. Let you know shortly. Okay, so I did another test with the do-it-yourself nugget bucket and did a full run this time just to see. Moved down the creek a bit just see if I could find some better gold. So now for the see if how it did. Oh, I can see some already.
What's the name of the video going to be?
Well, I think it did much better. Much better. Well, it seems to work. Check back in a bit. Well, you might not be able to tell, but it's raining right now, so I figure I'll just do the last nugget bucket clean out, the do-it-yourself nugget bucket, and see how I did. Sorry about the camera work. It's really hard to do when you only have one hand. As you can see, it did quite well. I think what I'll do is I'll take it home and put it all together and take a snapshot of what it looks like all together. Well, thanks for watching.